Hello guys, this is Jay, and in this video we will be building an AI audiobook in Python. So sit back, chillax, and let's start coding. I want to go to I want to create a new Python file. I want to name this Python file extract underscore PDF. Now we're going to go to our terminal here. I'm going to type pip install PyPDF2. Requirement already satisfied. Now this module is what we use to extract the text from our PDF file. Now I want to say from PyPDF2, I'm going to import our PDF reader. Now we're going to create a function named extract text. And this function is going to have a parameter called PDF underscore path. Now we're going to create a variable named reader, which is going to be equal to our PDF reader. And I'm going to put in the PDF path. Now this reader variable is going to open the PDF and load the file. Now we're going to create a variable named text, which is going to be equal to an empty string. And this text variable is where we're going to store the extracted PDF text. Now I'm going to create a for loop. I want to say for page in reader dot pages. Now I want to go through the page in the PDF file. Then we're going to do text plus equals to page dot extract text. Now this line takes the text from the page and save it in the text variable. Now we're going to return text variable. Now let's call our function. So we're going to create a variable named storyline, which is going to store our function. And it's going to be equals to the extract text and the PDF part. I've not yet created the PDF. So now let's go to my browser and create a PDF. All right, now in my Edge browser, I'll just go to chat, my Copilot. All right, now I'm in my Copilot. I'm just going to put in a prompt. Let's put in a prompt together. So we say, write all right, guys, this is our storyline, and let's just copy it and save it as a PDF file. Now let's export it as a PDF file, and let's put it on our desktop, and let's save. All right, let's go back to our PyCharm, guys. All right, guys, now let's put in our PDF part. Remember, our PDF is saved on our desktop file, so we're just going to put in the desktop part. So yeah, let's paste it and see. All right, now let's put in our storyline. Remember, the name of our storyline is knock at midnight. So let's look for knock at midnight .pdf. Now let's print our storyline so we can confirm if our script is correct. Now, before I run this code, kindly like, share, drop a comment in the comment section, guys. Now let's run it and see. All right, this shows that our script is correct. So guys, let's turn this to an audiobook on the next video. Thank you for watching.